Hello and welcome, English learners. If you've ever felt stuck, shy, or unsure about how to improve your English speaking skills, you're not alone. Many learners around the world struggle with the same challenge. How do I practice speaking English every day, especially if I don't have anyone to talk to? The good news is, you don't need a partner, a classroom, or a native-speaking friend to become fluent. What you do need is a smart, daily strategy that trains your brain to think, speak, and respond in English, naturally and confidently. In this guide, I'm going to walk you through a powerful system with 6 techniques you can use anytime, anywhere, even if you're practicing solo. These aren't just tips. They're habits that successful learners around the world are using to speak English fluently every single day. So grab a notebook, open your mind, and let's dive into the real work of building your spoken English power. Technique 1. Mirror talk. Build confidence from within. One of the simplest and most powerful ways to practice speaking English every day is to talk to yourself in the mirror. It might feel awkward at first, but it trains your brain to think in English and boosts your confidence like nothing else. Stand in front of the mirror every morning and speak out loud about your day. Say things like, "Today I'm going to the market," or "I feel excited because I have an interview." It doesn't need to be perfect, just flowing. Real-life example. Think of Anna from Brazil, who was terrified of speaking English at work. She started talking to herself in the mirror for 5 minutes each morning. Within a month, her confidence grew so much that she volunteered to lead a team meeting in English, and she nailed it. Why? Because she practiced being her own conversation partner every single day. Technique 2. Record yourself. Hear, analyze, improve. Recording yourself speaking is like having a private English coach. Start by choosing a topic, anything from my favorite food to why I admire Elon Musk. Speak for 2 to 3 minutes, then listen to the playback. Notice your tone, speed, grammar, and pronunciation. Don't be too critical. Just use it as a learning tool. Over time, you'll see your progress and fix small errors naturally. Let me tell you a story. Raj, a university student in India, used to stutter when speaking English. He started recording 2-minute audio clips every night, then comparing them weekly. After 3 months, he noticed he was pausing less and using more natural vocabulary. That daily habit helped him pass his spoken English exam with confidence. Technique 3. Shadowing. Copy like an actor. The shadowing technique is a favorite of polyglots and language coaches. It means you listen to a native speaker and repeat exactly what they say, at the same time copying the rhythm, tone, and speed. Use TED Talks, Netflix shows, YouTube videos, or English podcasts. Start with a short clip. Play a sentence, pause, and repeat. Or better yet, speak along without pausing, like you're an actor copying a script. Example. May from Taiwan loved watching Friends. She used to play scenes, pause after Chandler's lines, and mimic his voice and expressions. Not only did she improve her pronunciation and fluency, but she also gained a deeper sense of humor in English, which made her more confident in social situations. Technique 4. Speak your routine. Daily English in real time. Turn your everyday life into an English lesson. Describe what you're doing while you do it. For example, while brushing your teeth, say, "Now I'm brushing my teeth. I use this minty toothpaste every day." Or while cooking, "I'm chopping onions. They're making me cry." This makes English part of your real world and helps you think faster in the language. Let me tell you story of Omar, a chef from Egypt, made it a habit to narrate his cooking in English. He started saying things like, "Now I'm sautéing the onions," or "Let's add some pepper to the sauce." That routine helped him land a job in a 5-star hotel, where he now confidently gives kitchen instructions in English. Technique 5. Use AI and chatbots. Practice with zero pressure. Technology has made it easier than ever to practice speaking. Use apps like ChatGPT, ELSA Speak, or other language AI tools to chat in English. You can have real conversations, get corrections, or role-play interviews or travel situations. There's no judgment, no embarrassment, just unlimited practice. Let me tell you about my Lila, an introvert from Morocco, was nervous about speaking to real people. She started practicing with ChatGPT for 10 minutes every night, pretending it was a job interviewer. Within weeks, her vocabulary expanded and her answers became more structured. When she finally had a real interview, she nailed it and got the job. Technique 6. Daily speaking challenges. Make it a game. Set a mini challenge for yourself each day to keep things fun and focused. For example, today I will describe my favorite movie in 3 minutes, or I'll learn and use 5 new idioms. Write them down, speak about them, and track your progress. You can also join online speaking challenge groups or post your recordings on language learning forums like HelloTalk or Speaky. Example: Sam, a high school student from Kenya, created a 30-day English challenge calendar. Each day had a task like, describe your dream vacation, or talk about your favorite childhood memory. He spoke for 5 minutes and recorded it. After a month, he was shocked at how fluent and spontaneous he sounded. Even his classmates noticed. Final thoughts. Speak like nobody's watching. Fluency isn't a gift, it's a habit. And it doesn't arrive overnight like a miracle. It's built slowly, consistently, day after day, in the quiet moments when no one's watching and no one's judging. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need a foreign passport or an English-speaking best friend. What you do need is courage, consistency, and conversation, even if the only person you're talking to is yourself. Your mirror becomes your stage, your phone becomes your practice partner, and your thoughts, they become your daily script. Whether you're cooking dinner, walking to work, or brushing your teeth, there's always a moment to speak, always a sentence to practice, always a thought to express in English. And yes, you'll make mistakes, you'll get stuck, you'll forget words. But that's the path. That's the price of progress. Every stumble is one step closer to fluency. Every awkward sentence is a win because it means you're trying, and trying is everything. So here's the golden rule. You don't learn to speak English by being silent. You learn to speak by speaking, out loud, every day, without apology, without fear, without waiting for the right time. Start small, but start now. Laugh at your mistakes. Celebrate your effort. Keep going. Because fluency isn't just a goal, it's your next habit, your new identity, and your powerful tool for connecting with the world. You've got this. Now go speak it into reality.